We're moving on to Lesson 5, Response Training, Lure the Sit, from Paul Bunker's book, Imprint Your Detection Dog in 15 Days. This lesson is found on pages 65 and 66. I begin by holding a treat between my thumb and forefinger. Then, keeping the treat close to her nose, I slowly move my hand up and back over her head. In this first subtask, as her rear end starts to drop toward the sit position, I give her the treat. She does not have to be in a full sit at this stage, but you'll see she does offer it quite often. This is repeated 4 times. Next, I wait until she reaches the full sit position before giving her the treat. In this subtask 3.3, once Cider is sitting fully, I click and then reward her with the opposite hand. This is repeated 3 times. In this subtask, you also have a treat still in your hand. Now in 3.4, here we repeat the process, but now the lure hand is empty. There's no treat. Again, she is rewarded with the opposite hand. And finally, in subtask 3.5, I lure without a treat, click when Cider reaches the sit, and reward her from my treat pouch.